Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm 3D printing and installing this Spicerack that I made so I can free up some space in the cupboard. So let's go. So when I printed this file, I ended up doing a raft on the bottom of this one. Now, I redid the print again later on and actually worked out a way of doing it without having a raft underneath, so I saved some plastic on that. So when I fitted them in, they were a bit tight, so that's why I knew I had to reprint them, and the bottom had cracked a little bit as well. So just to fit it in, I just made sure I lined it up so that I could actually put in a second one down the track if I wanted to. So once I found the right spot, I marked it out and then actually hand forced the screw in. Instead of using an actual drill, I just did it by hand because the wood was soft. It screwed in enough that it was able to hold itself, and I could then just sit it up in position roughly where I wanted it, leveled it out and marked out the position where the second hole would go, and then basically I'd force the screw in there. Now I made sure that the actual door would swing closed and not actually squish the side of the plastic against the wall. So once I threaded the hole, it basically held on fine. Just make sure if you're doing it that the screws aren't too long that they go through the other side of the door either. Tighten up the screws as much as you can, and then you can install your actual spices into the rack. As you can see here, these ones were a bit tight, so I reprinted the whole model again, reattached it to the wall, and this time it actually came out fine. And the doors swing closed with no issue, so that worked out quite well. I can do another one down the track for the bottom if I want. But that's about it from me. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.